So the shrimp will be straight when you are going to cook it. What's up, Sushi Lords family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make spicy shrimp sushi roll. To make the spicy shrimp sushi roll, first of all, we need to cooked shrimp. That is the tiger shrimp. As you know, I already show you how to cook and how to prepare. Then after, we need the fines of spring onions, or you can use the onion chips also. That is the onion chips. And I have here the French garlic and lots of red onions. And I'm gonna use the many things. Let's see. Okay, let's prepare. First of all, I'm gonna cut in a small slices. Here is the black part, so I'll take this black part. Okay, nice. Now I will cut the rough of shrimp. That is the well cooked shrimp. This sushi roll will be one of the best sushi roll. If you're going to try at your home, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos about sushi. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this, and you can really surprise your family, friends, and all of your sushi lovers family. Okay. I'm going to prepare spicy shrimp. Now I'm gonna use red onions. Okay. Then I'm gonna use fines of spring onions, onion chips. After that, I'll use a little bit French garlic, not too much. And I'm gonna use a little bit kimchi. That is the kimchi, not a sriracha. Okay. And for the spiciness, definitely I love to use sriracha. Sriracha you can add as per your taste, how much spiciness you want. And tograsi. Tograsi also you can add as per your taste, how much spiciness you want. And I'm gonna use a little bit Himalayan rock salt. If you don't have Himalayan rock salt, you can use the normal salt also. Yeah, just this one's not too much. Okay, it's enough. And just a little bit skin of lemon. Then after, I'm gonna use here black pepper. Okay, nice. Not too much, just a little bit. And today I have here the Japanese mayonnaise, soy-free mayonnaise. So I'm gonna use this. If you don't have the Japanese mayonnaise, you can use normal mayonnaise as well. And at last but not least, it's my favorite. I always love to use sesame oil. Now I'm gonna mix it very well. I think it's very good spiciness. Let's taste it. I'm really hurry. Nice, but I want to add a little bit more tograsi. I want a little bit of spiciness. Yes. Okay, I have here the sushi rice. If you don't know how to make sushi rice, you can check link on my description box, or you can visit my YouTube channel, so you will get lots of things there about the sushi. Okay, let's prepare the bamboo mat. I'm gonna wrap with the film plastic so my sushi rice can't be sticky with bamboo mat. So nice. Yes, my bamboo mat is ready. Today I'm not going to use nori, seaweed, alga. I'm going to use, in our language we call folio di soja. That is the, what they are saying is the soja umbrello. Folio di soja, yeah. Yes, that kinds of seaweed I'm going to use. I'm going to use the gloves, so it will be easy to place sushi rice. If you don't have the gloves, you should have the teju. Teju means the equal quantity of vinegar and water, so it will prevent the bacteria. Now I'm gonna place the sushi rice here. That kind of sushi roll is my first experience. When I was working in the sushi restaurants, I'm using a little bit more thickness folio di soja, but here that is the too much thin. You can see literally it seems like a rice paper. So let's see how it will be up. Wow, so good. Now I'm going to make the ready for here and 3 or 4 finger here. Nice. Then I'll cut half. I'll take the seeds. Yes. Cucumber is also ready. I'm gonna cut in half. I'm going to use just for one sushi roll, so I'll take from here. Wow, it's so good. I'll take the skins. After that, I'll cut in like this way. Nice. My avocado is also ready. Okay, let's start to make the sushi roll. Firstly, I'll take around 120 gram sushi rice. I'll place here, then gently separate it. I'm gonna use a little bit cibolino, that the fines are on insides. And for the extra level of aroma and textures, I'm gonna use a little bit white sesame seeds. To make the crunchiness and crispy, I will use it with deep fried crispy onion. Now I'll use the mango. After that, I love to use, I'm the avocado lover, as you know. Then after, I'm gonna use the cucumber. Now let's roll it. For the sushi rolling techniques, always I'm saying in all of my videos, you can see, always leave one finger here on the bottom and take the bamboo mat with your this finger, and the thumb finger will go the downside. Then secure the ingredients by the 3 finger. Then take the bamboo mat very smoothly and gently. Yes. Then I'm gonna mash the sushi rice here so it will be stick properly. Then roll it. Nice. This is our first sushi roll. I'll wait a bit time. Then I'm gonna make another one, same as like that one. To make the crunchiness, I'm gonna use that kinds of Bengal flour balls. It will make crunchiness, you know. I'm gonna use this. You can easily buy in Asian grocery stores and also Indian grocery stores. So it will be more crunchiness. I want to taste it. Nice. Especially in India, people use this kinds of crunchy ball with raita. It will be spring onions, mango, and cucumber. Let's see which sushi roll's taste will be better. Okay. Now here I'm gonna use apple golden. I'm not going to use the avocado. Yes, I'm the avocado lover. Avocado is well combined with every kind of sushi rolls, but let's see how it will combine with this sushi roll. I'm going to use the onion chips, whole onion chips. Okay. Nice. So let's roll it. I'm going to mash the sushi rice so it will close properly. Okay, now I'm gonna cut it and gonna make the very delicious spicy shrimp sushi roll. To cut the sushi rolls, that will be a little bit more easy. If you clean your knife every time, so it will be really good. And also, I prefer to use water, you know. Put the water here, so it will be easy. And put knife, make the wet every edge of knife with water. Yes, nice, it's good. Once more again, I'll give the little bit squeeze so all the sushi roll will come in the good shape. Yes. Now I'm gonna top it with the spicy shrimp. On the top, I love to use a little bit onion chips and the white sesame seeds. I'm gonna use the caviar, black caviar. Yes. Ginger pickles and the wasabi. This is our spicy shrimp sushi roll. I hope you're gonna love this recipe if you try it at your home. You can see here, it looks like so delicious. I'm really hurry to bite it. Now I'm gonna make another sushi roll. Okay, let's see. Here I'll make a little bit more spiciness, so I'm gonna use the extra level of togras, more togras. Yes, this is our spicy shrimp sushi roll at home. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos about sushi. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.